Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's me, GP18. Welcome back to the channel. Now for this video, we have a dual unboxing. We have, and you know, these are not the first two Super Soakers for me to get, and I'm sorry that I didn't, have, I don't know why I'm apologizing, but I just didn't feel like recording, my first two Super Soakers unboxings because I was too impatient. But we have here the Nerf Super Soaker Twister and the Nerf Super Soaker Rainstorm. Now, because I got the Rainstorm first, I'm gonna unbox it first. Opening it with the needle. I'm too lazy to go to the kitchen and get a knife. I didn't have to. I hope I didn't stab the fucking thing. Alright, ignore all the bullshit, or all the bad stuff or whatever, I haven't put it out. But this is the Rainstorm. I'll tell you what, it's much more easier to use, to pull on the Rainstorm than it is on the Torrent. Because you need more pressure with this. With this, one finger. Hasbro. Where you do one thing good, Hasbro, you do like 10 other bad things. And the Rainstorm, fuck it. I'm not even gonna try to use the needle. Should have seriously brought a fucking knife. Now these are both fairly large. Another Super Soaker without a damn trigger. Plastic is pretty flimsy. It has some dirt on it. Put the water in there. New plastic smell. It smells okay. There's the front. It has all the holes where it comes out like rain. And this is from the front angle. Yeah. So the Rainstorm Twister Torrent and the Hydro Frenzy. That's pretty much all my Super Soakers. I have some X-Shot ones. I was about to say, the brand we don't talk about on this channel, but no, that's okay. I do plan on doing some non-Nerf reviews, because non-Nerf is still related with Nerf, because anyways, yeah, so this was my unboxing of the Nerf Nerf Super Soaker Rainstorm and the Nerf Super Soaker Twister. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and I'm gonna be doing a full review on them soon, and I'll see you later.